So this is a very different kind of bar clamp, just solely based on how this handle works. It's a quick release handle, so if we're setting and releasing a piece often, this is just a nice quick release, kind of low profile, just a different style of clamp that you might not normally have. So you heard there's a ratcheting action in here. So basically we get this on our workpiece and cinch it in, and you do want to kind of push it into the workpiece when you do it. See how we're seeing these guys move? That shows that we're clamping on. If you get it on there too loose and we're not moving here, we don't clamp. So let me show you on a couple pieces of wood real quick. Okay, two pieces of wood here, we want to clamp them together. What I like to do is put my thumb on the back just to give it a little shove. We want to see these guys move, these two little rivets. Just a little bit of movement. That's more than enough. And you can really crimp this thing down hard if you want to, but it is ratcheting, so you don't have to shove it together all the way if you don't want. Anyway, we need to release, change our position, give it just a little shove on the back here. Then we're clamped up tight again. So nice way to quick release, change positions, cinch and move over and over and over again. Really cool little setup there.